Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to delete the comments from the comments section. So for this, there are many ways. The first way is go to that particular comment section, perform a right click operation, and then you will have an option to delete the comment. So you can select the delete comment option and the comment will be deleted. The second option is go to review, and then you can see here an option like delete comment. So you can select that and then it will delete the comment. Now go to the third option and then go to the home menu, select the clear comments and notes, and you will be able to see the comments has been deleted. The other option is perform a right click operation and then delete entire row. So you'll be able to delete the complete row, and the comment section also will be deleted. This is how we will be deleting the comments from the Excel sheet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates on Excel tips and tricks like this.